Our next patient is Kylie. She is 9 years old, and we are going to be doing a sealant on number 19, a stainless steel crown on tooth K, and on tooth L we'll be doing a distal occlusal resin filling. We're going to go ahead and put the squishy flashlight in, but I want to see what size you need. Okay, so open your mouth as big as you can. Perfect. 3 fingers in there pretty comfortably. All right, sweetie, here's our little squishy flashlight, okay? Open your mouth really wide. Good. I'm going to put the little...
Kylie.
Good job, sweetie. Good. Now you're going to hear it make a little noise. It's going to go shh. Good. And we put the light on now. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and clean those teeth to make sure there's no lunch left over in there. So now it's ready for the blue shampoo. Okay, and just like your shampoo at home, we got to rinse it off with water, right? So we're going to go ahead and rinse it off now. Turn a little bit towards Cheryl. She's going to rinse that off. Good. Now we're going to put the sealant on. But I don't want the sealant to prematurely cure, so I'm going to double tap this little button so the orange light is on. Good, it's looking beautiful. Okay, now we're going to use the light and dry it. Let's check it. It looks perfect. Good, I'm going to count to 5 right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You okay? With kids, this is amazing that you can have the tongue and cheek retracted and have this much visibility and have no assistant in there too. Amazing. We are doing a crown on tooth K because the tooth is hypoplastic, but I like to do the filling first. So we're going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to put a little toothpick in here, honey, okay? Good. Perfect. Let's give that a good rinse, please. And then next step is we're going to use the blue shampoo again. Okay, so I have blue shampoo on your tooth. I'm going to use a little paintbrush next, okay? Perfect. Okay, we're drying. Okay, I'm going to put the filling in now, love. What's really cool is I don't need to use my mirror to retract her cheek. It's already retracted. Okay, let's dry that filling. Okay, we're going to dry in between. Great job, honey. I'm going to go ahead and get this tooth ready for the crown. Good. Good. You're doing a great job. When you do crowns on primary teeth, always worry about cutting the rubber dam if you use that. This is so much better. I'm going to go ahead and try the crown in with the Isolite in. Sometimes I do it with it off. The spoon, please. That looks like a perfect fit. Let's try with the Explorer though. Now, high five, girl. Great job.